Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the continuation of exercise 15.1, question number 7. So let us see the question. A tent is in the shape of cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively, and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter, find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Also, find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. Okay, here the question. First thing in this topic is we should understand the question well. That is very important. So let us see the question well here and let us draw the figure based on the question. A tent is in the shape of cylinder. Let me draw one small cylinder here. We know that the shape of cylinder, how it is. A tent is in the shape of cylinder surmounted by cone. They have told the cylinder is surmounted by cone and it has made the what? It has made the tent shape. So the cylinder is surmounted by the cone and they have made the tent shape. Okay. Tent is in the shape of, like it is a mixture of cylinder and cone. How they have told, if the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are height of the cylinder, first they have told height, then they have told diameter. So the first one height is 2.1 meter and they have told diameter of the cylinder is 4 meter. Complete diameter of the cylinder is 4 meter. We can see here diameter of the cylinder is also attached to the cone. So diameter of cone also is equal to diameter of cylinder. And the slant height of the top is 2.8. This height, slant is a slant height. We can see this slanting type. So slant height of the cone is, they have told 2.8 meter. Okay, now let us see what we have to find. Find the area of canvas used for making the tent. Okay, how much canvas is used to make the tent? They have told, note that the base of tent will not be covered with canvas. We should not take the base because we have to just see the tent, outer part. So it is the CSA, nothing but. Let us start writing total canvas used. Total canvas, we have to find the canvas used. Total canvas used is equal to nothing but area of the tent. How much canvas is used? That is only the area of full tent. Area of tent, how we will get? See this outer part of the cylinder, that is CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone. This is the area of the tent. So how we to find this, what all the things given, we should find that first. In cylinder part, what they have given in cylinder, for cylinder, what they have given for cylinder? Diameter 4 meter they have given, that is radius is equals to 4 by 2 and r is equals to 2 meter. Okay. Diameter they have given 4 and radius we got 2 meter and height of the cylinder also is given, that is 2.1. About cylinder this much we have got. Now let us see about cone what we have got. Okay. For cone, for conical part, what all they have given, radius is same, diameter 4 meter, that is equals to radius 4 by 2 is equals to 2 meter. Okay, radius is same. And here slant height stand for L they have given 2.8 meter. Now let us substitute this in here let us write one more time. Total canvas used is equals to CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone. CSA of cylinder formula is nothing but 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone is nothing but pi RL. To solve these problems, first we need to by heart this formula. We need to know the formula. If we write the wrong formula over here, we can't solve the problems. So let us see in this. R is same, that is in both the case radius is 2 centimeter. So pi is common and R is common. So let us take pi and R outside. I have taken common. Okay, if pi and R outside I have taken, what is left? 2H left in this, and pi R, if it is common, L. Okay, so let us write the value. Pi value is nothing but 22 by 7 into R value is 2 in the bracket 2 as it is, H value 2.1 plus sign as it is, and L value is 2.8. Let us remove the decimal so that we can solve it easily. Okay, now 22 by 7, 22 into 2, 44 by 7 into 2.1 into 2 is nothing but 4.2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. After 1 point decimal, so as it is, plus 2.8. Let us add this 2.8 and 4.2. It is nothing but 7. 7.0 we get, but 7.0 is nothing but 7. 7 get cancelled. So the answer is 44 meter square. This is only area of canvas use. Okay. Canvas used, it is total canvas used. Let us see cost now. Okay, what they have told, let us see now what we have to find. Cost of canvas for 1 meter square they have given in the question rupees 500. For 1 meter square rupees 100 for canvas. For 1 meter square it is told in the question rupees 100. For 44 meter square how much it is? Let us see. Therefore, so cost of canvas for 44 meter square is equal to 500 into 44. If we multiply 500 into 44, nothing, it is 22,000 rupees. 22,000. Therefore, total cost to make a tent, that is 22,000 rupees. Okay, let us check the next problem, question number 8. This is the question number 7. Here we have to understand well the figure first, how to draw the figure. Based on that we have to solve the solution. Let us see the 8th one problem now. Let me read out the question. Question number 8. From a solid cylinder. Here solid cylinder they have told. Solid in the sense fully covered. Top and also bottom is covered. Okay. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and the diameter is 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of the same height and the same diameter is hollow out. Find the total surface area of remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. Okay. What they have told here, let me draw the figure first. It is told that a solid cylinder, from a solid cylinder, this is a solid cylinder which is completely closed figure. Okay. From the solid cylinder, they have told a cone is hollowed out. A cone is hollowed out. That means a cone is removed from the solid cylinder. For example, we will take the example of clay. We have made a cylinder with clay. For example, I will just show with the top. Then from this cylindrical shape, they have removed the cone out. Like cone shaped is taken, hollowed out. That means find the surface area they have told. Surface area means which part we have to consider now. This part, outer part of the cylinder and outer part of the cone, because this part is not there. Now the shape will be of this part, this shape, because cone is removed. Like this shape figure will be there. Cone is gone outside. It has been removed. If it is removed, this part surface area, this and this part, because it can be this part and the base. So we have to find the surface area of the remaining solid. Okay. Let us start solving. What we have to find? Total surface area of remaining solid is equal to total surface area of remaining solid is equal to first CSA of cylinder, then we need to find plus CSA of cone, because this part also is needed, right? CSA of cone, then next plus base part also we should take out, this solid figure, right? So top it is has been removed, but base as it is there. Area of base of cylinder. So these three things we need to find the remaining solid. Okay, for cylinder what they have given, let us go on writing. For cylinder, I'll highlight with red pen here. For cylinder, what they have given, they have told cylinder from a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter. Height of the cylinder 2.4 and diameter is 1.4 centimeter. Then radius is 1.4 by 2. 1.4 by 2 is nothing but if we remove point 14 by 20. Point gone, it becomes 14 by 20. 2 7s are 14, 2 10s are 20. That is nothing but 7 by 10 is a radius. Okay, this is about the cylinder. Let us see about the for cone what they have given. Okay, cone, what they have told, a conical cavity of same height and same diameter. They have told a same height of cone is same like cylinder 2.4 centimeter and the diameter is 1.4 centimeter. That means radius is 1.4 by 2, that is point gone 14 by 20, that is 7 by 10. This is about the radius, but we know that CSA of cone is nothing but pi RL. Here slant height is not given. So let us first find this slant height. In my introduction part, I have told you to find the slant height we have one formula, right? L is equal to root of h square plus r square. We have this formula. L is equals to root of h square plus r square. L is equals to root of h value is 2.4 square plus r is 7 by 10 whole square. Okay. Again let us remove the point. It is nothing but 2.4 becomes 24 by 20. 2.4 becomes 24 by 10. Sorry, how I wrote 20. Point gone and just multiply by 10. So, here also how removed the point, here 22 was there, so 20. Okay. So, here plus 7 by 10 whole square as it is. If you are confused with removing point, let me show you here in rough 2.4. How after decimal only one point is there, so it should be multiplied by 10 and divided by 10. Point gone, if we multiply, that is becomes 24 and upon 10. It was already 2 here, so 2 is there means into 2 already is there. For example, here this 1.4 by 2. 1.4 by 2. Multiply by 10 into 10. So point gone 1.4. 2 tens are 20. Okay. Point gone 14 by 20. Like that it was. After decimal 1 number means 10. After decimal 2 number means 100. After decimal 3 numbers means 1000. Like that you have to multiply. Okay. L is equals to 24 is nothing but 576. 24 square is 576. 10 square is 100 plus 7 square is 49. 10 square is nothing but 100. Root as it is. L is equal to, denominator are same, so I'll write 1 time 100. 576 plus 49 is nothing but 625. And 625, root of 625 is 25 and root of 100 is 10. So what we got L value? We got L value is equals to 25 by 10. So let us start finding now. TSA of remaining solid is equal to CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone plus area of base of cylinder or cylindrical base you can write. Let us write formula 2 pi RH plus CSA of cone pi RL. To solve this problem, formula should be known, and area of base is nothing but area of base of a cylinder is circle. Area of base of the cylinder is nothing but circle. So area of circle is pi r square. Now let us see here, pi is common, r is common. Pi and r is common, so I will take pi and r as common outside. Pi and r if I take common, what left? 2h left. Here pi and r if it is common, L left. Pi and r if I take one more, r will be left. So let us start substituting the value. Pi is nothing but 22 by 7. R value is nothing but 7 by 10 into 2 into h value we have got now, that is 2.4, plus L value is 25 by 10 plus then what we have got, R value is 7 by 10. Okay. So let us remove the decimal here. Pi 7 get cancelled. 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2 1s are 11 by 5 is remaining now. Here 2.4 into 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 4.8 we got. Then here denominator is same as it is. 25 plus 7 is 32. Again I will, in the next step I will remove the decimal here. 11 by 5 as it is. 4.5 after 0.1 number, that is 48 by 10 plus 32 by 10. What we will get? Again denominator same. So 11 by 5 into denominator same 10. 48 plus 32 is 80. Let us cancel this. 0 0 get cancelled. 11 8s are 88 by 5. If we divide 88 by 5, we are going to get 17.6. They have told in the question to the nearest centimeter square. Nearest means approximate. After 17.56 is there, then it is nothing but 18 centimeter square. Why? Agar if 17.4 it was there, then we would have written 17 only. Here 17.6. After 5 number 6 is, so 18 centimeter approximately. So this is about the question number 8, which is very easy. Here they have not given slant height, so we found the slant height by using this formula. Then just we have substituted in the formula. Okay, let us see the question number 9. Okay, last problem of this exercise, that is, let us read out the question. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of the solid cylinder as shown in the figure. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter and its base is of radius 3.5 centimeter, find the total surface area of article. A wooden article of a cylindrical shape is made. What they are saying, from this wooden article, 2 hemispherical shape is taken out. Taken out means removed. Scooping out, it is removed. But what they are saying, find the remaining total surface area of article. Find the total surface area of article. First it was cylinder. After scooping out, the shape becomes how now? It will be like this. Cylinder, this is the cylinder. Now the shape of the remaining solid will be like this. 2 sides hemisphere is scooped out. They are removed. So the figure is like this, means here how we will find CSA of cylinder and CSA of 2 hemisphere. The solid, total surface area of solid, how we will get? CSA of cylinder plus 2 CSA of hemisphere. So let us start writing now. Total surface area of article is equal to CSA of cylinder plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere. Why 2? Because from both sides it is scooped out. Okay. Now, what they have given for cylinder, hemisphere. Okay. They have given cylinder, regarding cylinder, what they have given? It is given, they have given about cylinder is 10 centimeter height. Height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter and its base radius is 3.5 centimeter. This is given. Okay. Now let us see what hemisphere is nothing but same radius. It is the base radius is same. In hemisphere we need only radius. So radius is same. R is equals to 3.5 centimeter. Let us substitute in the formula. Total surface area of article is equal to CSA of cylinder formula is nothing but 2 pi RH plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere is nothing but 2 pi R square. Okay. Now we can see 2 is common and pi is common and R is common. Let us take 2 common, pi common and R common. 2 pi R is common. What is left? H left. Plus 2 is common, pi is common, 1 R is common. 1, 2 and 1 R will be left out. 2 into pi is 22 by 7. R is nothing but 3.5. H value is 10 plus 2 into 3.5. R value is 3.5. Okay. Now 2 into 22 by 7. 3.5 is nothing but if you remove point, 35 by 10. Here 10 plus 3.5 into 2 is nothing but 7. If we multiply 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 1 carry 7. So here what we will get cancelled? 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Okay. Again 5 get cancelled. What is left? 22 left. 10 into 10 plus 7 is 17. 22 into 17 is nothing but 374 centimeter square. This is the nothing but total surface area of article. So this complete the exercise 15.1. So in my next video I'll start 15.2 exercise. Do like and share. Thank you.